Hey, Falcons. All right, so the first part of this is just review. So, this is what we did either Monday or Tuesday, depending on what you had in class. So, the first two are literally just which axis is the image flipped over? Is it the X? Is it the Y? And then, we'll get into what we're doing today. So, looking at the first one, right? Um, Thinking about, do not, you can if you want. This is our Y axis because it has a Y with it, right? This is our x-axis. So which one is it flipped over? X or Y? X is what we should be saying. So I'm going to use my highlighter and legit highlight it. And then down here, we are going to put reflection over x-axis. Okay? So this one was flipped, reflected over the y-axis. Now, if we do the same thing for number 2, it's a little bit harder, and I chose this because I wanted it to be a little bit harder. So here is our x. Here is our y. Now, thinking about how the x kind of cuts the shape, we know that's definitely not it. But some of you may be saying, well, Ms. Sherman, it's not the y either, right? Like, what? But notice how the red and the black down here, right? This one is one away, this one is one away, and the shapes intersect. That's okay. It is a-okay for the shapes to intersect. It is a-okay for them to overlap, for that line of reflection to be in the middle. That happens. Do not think that you did something wrong just because they kind of intersect like that, okay? So that's just an important thing to realize, especially with what we're doing today. So this is a reflection over the y-axis. A reflection over the y-axis. Okay, so that's kind of the review of the reflections. Now we're getting more into the what we're doing today.